today I'm going to be reviewing the re-grip. It looks like it's for, you know, hammers, shovels, pruning shears, or I don't know, that is some kind of electrical tool. It's one of those things you kind of slip it over and then you pull the inside on it to it. So let's see how it works on. I got two of them for my wheelbarrow. The natural grips on it. The stock ones suck, so put these bad boys on and see how they work. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Just basically feels like a piece of rubber base. So then you pull from this end. So here we go. Just put it right here. Let me get a better shot. Okay, here we go. Got the pull side, so go ahead and slide it on right there. Kind of figure where we want it at. So you gotta get a hold of this and kind of steady it here. And then just pull. Oh. And there it is. Actually, it worked really good. Pretty impressed. Doesn't want to slide off or anything. So, could have probably put it out a little further, but that's good. It's on there nice, solid. Let's do the next one. Go ahead and do the second handle. A little bit different angle, so here we go. Kind of figure about right in there. And pull it. Oh, there we go. Oh, pop. Okay. So this one's a little further out. I actually kind of like it how the other one was. But, you know, it's on there really well. No spin whatsoever on the shaft. They're good. And that's your review of the re-grip on excavator Seymour S500 industrial wheelbarrow. Awesome wheelbarrows too. No, this is not a paid promotion. It's just a good wheelbarrow. And the Bobcat.